Proper brush care is just as important as the application, as filing, everything. You look after your equipment and it's going to last you a very long time. So how can I clean my brush in between? If I switch from my base gel to a build gel or a concealer gel, and how to clean it afterwards, because I want to keep the shape of my brush all the time. So we've got two choices and I'm only going to use swipe. No acetone, no acetone. So the one thing that you can do is you can use a glass dampened dish and I can pour a little bit of swipe in there and then I can just dip my brush in there and just clean it on paper towel, nail wipe, just something lint free. So I can do this when I switch over from my base to a builder gel. Or my other option is to take just a lint free wipe, and I'm still going to use my swipe and I'm going to just load my lint free nail wipe and then wipe my brush until it is clean. Doing that after each and every service will also clean any residue if you've worked with a gel color or a gel paint, and your brush will be perfectly clean afterwards.